Hello food lovers! Today, we're bringing you a product that will elevate your cooking experience to a whole new level in your kitchen. In this video, we'll be diving into the DASH Tasti-Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven, a 2.6 QT compact air fryer. Let's explore how it helps you make healthier meals quickly and why it has become a favorite for so many. So, stick around for the full review. Main review. 1. Design and usability. The DASH Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer has a sleek and stylish look. Its attractive aqua color and compact design make it ideal for small or medium-sized kitchens. If you want to cook with less oil and make healthier meals, this air fryer is a perfect choice. 2. Features and performance. This air fryer runs on 1000 watts of power, which allows it to cook food quickly and efficiently. One of its standout features is the auto shutoff, which automatically turns off the fryer once your food is done. It's user-friendly, especially with its analog control, making it simple to operate even if you're not too tech-savvy. 3. Health benefits. This fryer is great for making healthy food, as it uses about 80% less oil. So, you can prepare healthy meals in less time and with less oil. It's an excellent solution for health-conscious individuals. 4. Customer reviews. According to Amazon reviews, many users are highly satisfied with this product. They mention that although it's compact, it's perfect for small families. One customer said, "I can make delicious meals in no time, and even the kids love it. It's also easy to clean." Another user mentioned, "For this price, you won't find a better air fryer." While some customers wish it had a bit more cooking space, most users have rated it 5 stars. Summary and positives. Overall, this is a fantastic air fryer, especially for small households or single users. It's easy to use, requires minimal oil, and takes up little space in the kitchen. For anyone looking to make healthy, oil-free meals, the DASH Tasti-Crisp is a great option. So that's it for today's review. If you're interested in the DASH Tasti-Crisp air fryer, check it out on Amazon. Using our link to make your purchase will also support our channel. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again with another great product review soon. Take care.